Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're going to be hosting a pickleball tournament this summer, okay, I have got the place for you. All of the pickleball tournament supplies that you need or pickleball party are right here at PopShelf. Okay, look at that cooler. It's a cooler and it's a speaker. So if you're hosting a pickleball tournament, you definitely need some type of hydration. So you're gonna need a cooler to put the drinks in. You guys, they have paddles, they have garland, they have cups that are pickleball themes. They have sun visors because you know it gets hot out there. Okay, you're playing hard, you need something to protect you from the sun. They also have pickleball themed plates. They have cups, like I said. They even have these cute little pickleball keychains, you guys, stickers, all of the things. Look at that one. That one is like a tray for, like, you know, chips and dips. Okay, they also have a lot of stuff just simply for summer parties right now. So if you want to host a little happy hour or a girls night or anything like that, they have a variety of options to choose from as far as like cups and plates. You guys, they even have like the little drink syrups and stuff, like if you want to, you know, make you some little drinks and flavor them up. They also have all kinds of other little games that you can choose from if you're simply doing, you know, like just a summer party and not just a pickleball themed party. But you know what, pickleball is like all the rage right now. Okay, everybody has been playing pickleball, it seems like. And you know what, I think I'm gonna get in on that soon. I want to try it out. Seems like a workout. Okay, so when I do, don't worry, I'll put it on the channel so that you can see how it goes. Okay, but yes, you guys, they have all types of stuff to choose from that is really good, or especially if you're having a pool party. Okay, so they have floaties and all of that stuff too. They have candles, cameras. Child, PopShelf just has a lot of the things right now for the summertime, and it all just looks so nice, so I just had to show it to you. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna let you guys vibe out, and I'll pop back in just a few.
If you keep this up, then I'll let you in, 'cause you have a way with me like no one else. Yeah, you almost make me fall in love. Yeah, you got me hypnotized under your spell. I know I'll go home with you tonight. Oh, wanna get you closer to my body, wanna feel your hands all over me. Gonna make them
Alright you guys, we're reaching the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this look at what's in PopShelf this week for pickleball and summer party finds. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with someone you know. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.